Dear students, welcome to the physics class. Today we will discuss a new chapter, nucleus. Now the first topic of the nucleus chapter is composition of nucleus, means component of nucleus. Okay, now for atom ZXA, where Z is the atomic number and A is the mass number of the element X, number of protons plus number of neutrons gives the mass number. Number of protons means atomic number. Okay, now number of protons plus number of neutrons, we can say number of nucleons. Okay, in other words, number of nucleons gives the mass number. Okay, now nuclear size. In previous class we already know that the size of the nucleus is 10 to the power minus 15 meter. Okay, the size of the radius of the nuclei is 10 to the power minus 15 meter. Now, volume of the nucleus is directly proportional to the mass number. Volume of the nucleus is directly proportional to the mass number. Now, nucleus is spherical in shape, so its volume will be 4 by 3 pi r cube. 4 by 3 pi r cube directly proportional to A. 4 by 3 pi is constant term, that means r cube directly proportional to A. Then r directly proportional to a to the power 1 by 3. This power, when goes to the right side, it becomes 1 by 3. Then r is equal to r naught a to the power 1 by 3, where r naught is the proportionality constant, and the value of r naught is 1.2 into 10 to the power minus 15 meter. Okay, this formula, we use this formula to solve numericals. Okay, now next is nuclear shape. Nucleus is spherical in shape, we already mentioned here. Now, nuclear density. The ratio of mass of the nucleus to its volume gives the nuclear density. Okay, if small m is the average mass of the nucleus and A is the mass number, then Ma is the total mass of the nucleus. Ma upon 4 by 3 pi r cube. Now, using this formula, r is equal to r naught a to the power 1 by 3, we get m upon 4 by 3 pi r naught cube. In this formula, there is no A, there is no mass number. That means there is no mass number. That means nuclear density is constant. Okay, nuclear density is constant for every nucleus. Okay, now atomic mass unit. The unit by which we express atomic and nuclear masses. The unit by which we express atomic and nuclear masses. Now, one atomic unit, 1U, is equal to 1 by 12 of the mass of the one atom of carbon 12. Okay, one atomic mass unit is equal to 1 by 12 of the mass of one atom of carbon 12. Since 6.02 into 10 to the power 23 atoms of carbon have weight 12 gram, that means mass of one atom of carbon 12 will be 12 upon n, where n is Avogadro number. Okay, means 6.02 into 10 to the power 23. Now by solving, we get 1.66 into 10 to the power minus 24 gram, and in kg, one atomic mass unit will be equal to 1.66 into 10 to the power minus 27 kg. Okay, now under terms, one atomic mass unit is equal to 931 million electron volt. We use for numerical purpose these formulas. 1 million electron volt is equal to 10 to the power 6 electron volt, where 1 electron volt, you already know unit of energy. 1 electron volt is equal to 1.6 into 10 to the power minus 19 joule. Okay, so the topic is done. Hope you like it. Thank you.